First of all, on behalf of Martha and Grant, let me welcome you to their wedding ceremony and thank you for being with them this evening. They have invited you to this beautiful place to show you an important piece of their love.
It's a beautiful night, we're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you.
Martha and Grant understand the effort that it took for you to make the journey to Puerto Vallarta, not only to be part of this day, but to be part of each other's lives through their celebration.
Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing dream? Who cares, baby? I think I'll marry you.
Well, look at you too. Holy cow, look at us. We're ready, right?
Martha, you are incredibly smart, beautiful, and compassionate. You are my one and only. I love you, and I am ecstatic to be marrying you, my best friend, today in front of our friends and family. We are perfect for each other. We both like to procrastinate, especially wedding planning, and we are bad at cleaning and vacuuming Ilsa's dog hair. I will be there for you through life's hardships, to hold you, comfort you, and cheer you up. I know that we will come out of whatever we face stronger and better together. I will be there for your accomplishments to celebrate and rejoice together. I promise to laugh with you, sometimes at you, and talk to the wee hours of the night about anything, especially our future and goals, even if it's just daydreaming. I vow to love you unconditionally and be the best husband I can be. I love you.
It was the best decision I've ever made to ask you if you wanted to hang out that Friday night at Snoqualmie Casino. I will always remember that night as if it was yesterday. Typically, I'm not the kind of person that talks about deep and potentially cheesy things such as destiny. Yeah, you're right. But I truly believe we were destined to meet that night and that stage of our lives. Life, the universe, God works in mysterious ways. And I can say the best thing happened to me when I was least expecting it. It was you.
It is my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
Martha, I love you more than carne asada and tequila shots. You're such a wonderful, incredible person. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. And I hope Grant knows just how damn lucky he is to get to spend the rest of his life with you. And Grant, thank you so much for being her rock and her adventure buddy and just a wonderful dad to Ilsa. And we trust that you'll be there forever for Martha and Ilsa, always phone charger in hand.
Congratulations on your marriage, guys. I'm so excited for you and for many more adventures to come. I'd like you to raise your glasses, toast to my best friend and his beautiful new wife, to a life full of love and many adventures together. Salute.
This is gonna be the best day